In this video, we will discuss changing the foot control type on a CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then enter the Settings menu. From there, select Equipment. Next, select Delivery. Scroll down to Delivery Setup. Then select Foot Control Type. Here you can program whether you have a lever or a disc-style foot control. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.